Well, instant updates on your Venmo activity. Here's how to activate push notification in seconds. Well, open the Venmo app and log in. Tap the menu icon that's the three lines in the top corner, then scroll down and select settings. From there, tap notifications to choose push notifications. You'll see a list of activity types like payments received, requests, and friend activity. Toggle on the ones you want. Most people enable payment alerts, requests, and account changes so they never miss a thing. So if your phone asks for permission to allow notifications, make sure you tap allow. And yeah, that's really it. I mean, your push notifications are now active. In real time updates will come straight to your phone. If this helped, let's tap like, leave your questions below, and subscribe for more simple app tutorials. And thanks for watching. And yeah, guys, I gotta go mention a lot of you guys that watch our videos. I mean, you're not subscribed, so really subscribing. But you guys to my channel really helps me bring out more useful content. It helps my channel grow so I can be more helpful to you guys. So definitely do subscribe. And yeah, like always, just drop me a question, man. I'm really so excited to help you out and bring you another video on this, but or any topic that you might have in your head.